In this video, I will show you how to fix Face ID issue on iPhone after iOS update. So here's some easy solutions to fix this Face ID problem. The first solution is you have to force restart your iPhone. To force restart your iPhone, press volume up button and volume down button for one time, and then hard press on the power button until you see the Apple logo, and that's how your iPhone will be force restarted. Once successfully force restarted, go ahead and check the issue. And the second solution is go to your iPhone settings app and then scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. Enter here your passcode. And now make sure to enable iPhone unlock, iTunes and App Store password autofill options. And then all you have to need, tap on reset Face ID. Once you successfully resetted your Face ID, hope the problem will be fixed now. And the next solution is you have to check for a new iOS update. So from your iPhone settings app, tap on General, tap on Software Update, and here if you see any new update available, first of all update the latest iOS version and check the issue. And after following these solutions, if you're still having the same error with your Face ID, then you have to reset all settings. So open your iPhone settings and then tap on General, scroll down, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap on Reset, and just tap on Reset all settings. And that's how you will be able to fix Face ID issues. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.